Which is our nation? India. Who is the father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Which is our national flower? Lotus. Which is the national river? Ganga. Which is our national currency? Indian rupee. Which is our national game? Hockey. Which is the national tree? Banyan tree. Which is our national vegetable? Pumpkin. Which is the national reptile? King cobra. Which is our national fruit? Mango. Which is our national animal? Tiger. Which is our national bird? Peacock.